Hey DIY lovers! Did you know that some of IKEA's most ordinary products can completely transform your home and garden if you just look at them differently? Today, I'm sharing 75 genius IKEA hacks that are budget-friendly, renter-safe, and fully DIY-able. Let's dive in and unlock the hidden potential of those flat-pack finds. Let's start in the living room, where comfort meets creativity. From turning a $10 lac table into a stylish coffee bar, to stacking Kallax cubes into a custom media wall that looks 10 times more expensive than it is. This is not just decorating, this is redesigning with purpose. Don't have space for a home office? Add wheels to a Vitz JO side table and boom, mobile workspace ready for your morning coffee and laptop. And remember those simple spice racks, Beckfem ones. Mount them upside down and they become sleek minimalist bookshelves or plant holders. Each of these hacks is about rethinking, not spending more. Kitchens can be chaotic, but not if you're smart about space. Ross Cog carts become mobile pantries or coffee stations. Spice jars go magnetic on the side of the fridge. Step stools double as mini plant displays, or even side tables. The key is use vertical space, keep things movable, and customize basic IKEA items with just a drill or some paint. Even a cutting board like Aptitlig can turn into a serving tray with a bit of creativity. You're not just organizing your kitchen, you're reinventing how it functions. Bathrooms are small, but smart hacks can make them feel big. Add a suction basket. No drilling needed. Use spice racks again for toiletries. And a Ross Cog cart, perfect for a mobile vanity. With the right tweaks, even a tiny space can feel like a mini spa. That's the IKEA effect. Structure meets style. Your bedroom should be a calm, organized zone, and IKEA is perfect for that. Scub boxes slide under your bed. Picture ledges like Mosslander become floating nightstands. Curtain wires create beautiful, lightweight canopies. You can build an entire vanity from lac shelves and a round mirror. No heavy furniture required. The trick? Make small elements work harder, and don't be afraid to repaint, re-drill, or reimagine. Time to step outside. You don't need a giant backyard to make a stylish outdoor escape. With IKEA's decking tiles, wooden crates, hanging baskets, and solar jars, you can create a garden wall, mini greenhouse, or an evening retreat under string lights. Herb gardens in spice racks, plant stands from stools, lanterns made from candle holders. These hacks are made for balconies, patios, and even fire escape rails. Think small, think vertical, and always go for cozy. Remember, your outdoor space should feel like an extension of your living room, and with a few IKEA pieces it will. Let's wrap up with the holy grail of home life, storage. IKEA hacks shine when it comes to decluttering with style. Pegboards on walls, bins in drawers, carts in corners. It's not just storing stuff, it's storing beautifully. A bookshelf becomes a shoe rack, a kitchen caddy becomes a craft supply organizer, and a nightstand becomes a hidden charging station. It's about taking control of your space. On your terms. So, which one of these 75 IKEA hacks sparked your imagination? Leave a comment and tell us, what's the first thing you'll try? Remember, great design isn't about how much you spend, it's about how creatively you use what you have. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want more budget-friendly home and garden ideas, and I'll see you in the next one. And that's a wrap. 75 IKEA hacks that prove you don't need a big budget to create a beautiful home or garden. But wait, now it's your turn. Which one of these hacks surprised you the most? Was it the vertical herb garden, the mobile vanity, or maybe the trick that turned a kitchen cart into a rolling office? Drop a comment and tell us which hack you're going to try this weekend. Or better yet, share your own IKEA hacks with the community. We're building a global group of creative minds here. And hey, if you found even one idea in this video that made you think, oh wow, I can totally do that, then hit that like button. It tells the algorithm we're doing something right. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got new home and garden inspiration coming every week, including DIY makeovers, space-saving tips, and deep dives into eco-friendly design. Oh, and one last thing. If you have a friend who's always redecorating or organizing their space, send them this video. You might just spark their next great idea. Thanks for watching. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.